Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 17th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this move up on the Euro dollar is definitely looking very impulsive. I was forecasting this was going to go down to this area for either a regular flat or possibly even this area for an expanding flat. But like I've been saying, we can't rule out the possibility of this being a running flat and making a higher low and continuing up from here. So we definitely want to be bullish unless we get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we did get a pretty decent little push down today, but to me that isn't really what I would be looking for. So I would be looking for like a double top at a Fibonacci level and then a break of structure to the downside like that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of pretty much every trend. If I do see this shape right here, I definitely would go back to being bearish the euro dollar. Otherwise, even if it does push down, I would be looking at anything I see to the downside as possibly a pullback because for me, the last main structure is actually way down here. So it could go down quite a bit and still be a pullback within an uptrend. So for me personally, I am definitely still recommending longs. I'm still looking for longs unless we get that double top at a Fibonacci level, break a structure to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.